This lesson is about post-capitalization. In other words, when you post values to an asset sometime after it should have been capitalized. If you post the values late, but in the same fiscal year, the system will automatically adjust the depreciation. Let's say we receive an asset and start using it in September, but due to some delay, we only get round to posting the invoice value to the asset in December. Assuming a year end of December, this is relatively simple as you post the date as normal in December, but change the capitalization date in the asset master and the start date of depreciation. The system will automatically calculate and post all the depreciation due since September the next time the depreciation run is executed, assuming the previous months are already closed. The next example is where the fiscal year has been closed in the meantime. For example, the asset should have been capitalised in September 2018, but the fiscal year 2018 has already been closed. Perhaps the invoice was delayed or posted incorrectly. In this scenario, you should tick the post-capitalisation box when creating the asset. The capitalisation date must be filled with the required date. The system may derive the start date of depreciation once the depreciation key is there, or you should amend it accordingly. When you post the values, you will need to use a different app called post-capitalization or GUI transaction, ABNAN. In the Asset Explorer, you will see that the system calculates the missing depreciation for 2018 and posts it as a value adjustment. As the system is currently in December 2019, it also calculates the depreciation for the whole of 2019. In the general ledger, the offsetting account for the net book value is a separate account. If the invoice had been posted last year but to expenses in error, this account may be correct. Otherwise, depending on the circumstance, you may need to post an adjustment to another account.